Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I'm really excited to be shooting from our brand new landscape lighting training and learning center. We're going to be able to do a way better job of walking you through all our videos and showing you guys more tips and tricks of how to make your landscape lighting projects better. And on top of that, we're going to be kicking it off with a brand new series on YouTube where we're actually going to be walking through real life examples of clients of ours across North America that have sent in pictures, and we've shown them what are some of the best areas and the best kits and the best lights to use to light their landscapes most efficiently. So we're going to walk you through that whole new series, and on top of that, we're still really excited to be offering our new Try It Before You Buy It offer, where you can buy one of our RS FX Luminaire uplights and take it home at a discounted rate. Try it out, see what's going to look good, simply by taking a 9-volt battery and attaching the 2 wires to it. Walk around your property, go light some things up, see what's going to look good before you make any decisions and make that big purchase. Get your free consultation. We're going to walk you through, just like we have with all these clients across North America, the best way to light your property. And whether you buy the lights from us or not, it'll hopefully give you a better idea of how to make your outdoor living space that much better. So I hope you guys enjoy this new series. Go to our website, check out our new contact page and resource center, get your free consultation, and try It Before You Buy It offer so you can feel what real quality feels like and looks like before you make any big purchases. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. We really appreciate all your support.
Hey John, thanks for the pictures. Assuming I kind of understand everything correctly here, I'll kind of let you know what I would do. I think you had mentioned, definitely putting a spotlight or an accent light over on this tree, and I would just do that from the street side, so looking from the street, it's going to look really good on that one. For the side of the house by the driveway here, what I would probably use is wash lights. The reason I like wash lights is just, it's a softer light, it's a wider spread, it doesn't create as big of a hot spot, and even just putting them kind of at the corners, actually, even just underneath the windows here, because most of that light's just going to shoot right up to the top, but you're going to get lots of reflection off here that's going to help light up this driveway without having to have a whole bunch of lights, plus a bunch of path lights here that just have the potential of getting run over or anything. That would be my preferred way to do it. And then in the front here, definitely I would have some accent lights on these four kind of main stone features and pillars for sure. And with that, you're going to get a little bit of light off the top here, off the soffits and the east troughs to help light this a little bit. I might throw a path light here and here in the corners just for some nice balance, but that's probably all I would do there. On the top here, if you wanted to light this, what I'd probably do is I'd probably use a wash light, a softer one, not quite as big as the ones I would use here, but a smaller, softer one, gutter mounted, and have it just kind of shoot up here. Again, it depends what those bedrooms are, and I don't think it'll give you a ton of light in those, especially if the blinds are closed, but it's just something to be aware of. You might want to just test with a light, a flashlight or something, and see how much light you get in those bedrooms with that. And then going around on this side, any of these trees, just lighting with an accent light would be great. On this little section of the house, what I would probably do here is up to you. Again, you can either use wash lights or accent lights. The wash lights will be a little bit of a subtler light and maybe that little more of that natural light you're looking for. And I'd probably just place them underneath the shutters on both sides, and it'll do a really good job of lighting up this area. Because you're only going to see this from here, I wouldn't probably worry about putting too many more lights down here. This would be one area though, if you wanted to, maybe 1 or 2 path lights just to give it a little bit of light and a little bit of contrast from the up and accent lights here. You got a little bit of low light here, and then you're highlighting kind of the nice front of the house here. And then going around the side, what I probably would do is I love lighting up the house, regardless whether it's stucco or whatever. It always looks good, and if you use it with a wash light, you get that subtle, nice spread. But I would maybe have 2 of those lights down on the shrub beds here along the house, kind of, again, under those windows that are going to light up this area, and you'll get a little bit of light reflecting back back to help kind of light this area, but it'll be a soft, subtle light. And then, like you mentioned, yeah, we already talked about over here, but where's that picture? Oh yeah, and then here, if you want to kind of light this area a little bit, as I think what you're talking about, maybe some downlights. I love the idea, and I think you know, just this whole front area in general, you could probably you want to get them up probably as high as you can, but with just some accent lights and have them mounted shooting down, kind of maybe one down here and one down here, just to light up this area. Or maybe it's 3, maybe you want another one that kind of shoots into the backyard. That might be another option. Instead of putting the lights along the house, which I do like that look, you might want to try just lighting it from the tree above, and maybe you have 3 lights mounted, one that comes here, back here, and then further in the backyard. So hopefully that's kind of gives you some ideas and is roughly along the same lines that you were thinking.
Guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully that gave you some good ideas of how you can effectively light your property and totally transform your outdoor living space. And I just want to take a quick minute, remind you guys about our try it before you buy it offer, where you can go on our website, you can buy one of our premium quality uplighting fixtures at a discounted rate. We're going to ship that to you for free. You're going to have 14 days to try it out and really feel the difference with what a premium quality landscape lighting fixture should feel like and what it should look like, because simply by going and taking a 9-volt battery and hooking up the 2 terminals of the light, you can actually go around at night and start lighting up some areas and some features so you can see how they're going to look before you go make any big purchases. If you don't love the light, you send it back to us and you get a full refund. If you do like it, you keep it, you buy whatever other lights you need for your project. Make sure to email us your pictures at cal@lightingdoctor.ca to get your free consultation, where we're going to walk you through what are going to be the best areas to light, just like we did in this last video, but on your property, to give you the best chance of making your outdoor living space that much better this summer. So thanks for watching, and go check out our website for a whole bunch more great resources and tools.